Hello everyone, in this video we are going to upgrade our Windows 10 into Windows 11 in a legal way. You may see so many videos people are installing Windows 11 using an ISO file. But in this video we are doing updating Windows 11 via our Windows Update Manager. So it's very easy to do and you only need laptop or PC with Windows 10. I recently updated my MI Notebook 14 into Windows 11 and I will show you how I did that in this video. Okay, let's get into the video. Before that, please make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more useful videos like this, and please drop a like if you like this video. Okay, let's start install Windows 11 in our laptop legally, and we are using Windows Update for that. Look up Windows Update settings and you will be able to see if you are in the latest version of Windows 10, it will show you are up to date, and click Windows Update and you will be able to see the Windows Insider program. Click that and click Get Started. Okay, now you have to add a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, create. Now I am logging into one of my Microsoft account. Now click register to join the Windows Insider program. Click sign up and click I have read and accept the terms and agreement and click submit. Okay, now it's completed. Now it's asking us to choose a Windows Insider setting. So here I am choosing the dev channel and click confirm, and you have to restart your PC. Welcome back. Now go to Windows Updates again. Okay, click the Windows Insider program and you will be able to see the dev channel listed here. So click Windows Update again and click check for update. Okay, now it's start downloading. Yeah, you can see that it's downloading Windows 11 Insider Preview. So let's wait for that. Okay, we'll see you after completing the download. After downloading, it start installing. We have to wait until it's complete. Okay, the update completed, so we have to restart the laptop right now. Okay, we have successfully updated Windows 11 in our laptop. So now it's doing all the basic configuration in Windows 11. Okay, you have to make sure that you are connected to power or you have enough battery backup on your laptop. It may take a few minutes, so we'll see you after that. Now we successfully updated our laptop into Windows 11. So this is how you can update your Windows 10 into a Windows 11 in a legal way. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do a like, and if you having any doubt related to this video or if you have any video suggestion, please drop a comment and we'll see you in the next one. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe.